Hey everybody, this is Ken. I am back with another accessory, and this accessory is from Tlyard, and it's dealing with accent lighting for inside of your Tesla, kind of like the newer Model 3 and Y. You can get two versions. One version is for the dash and then underneath where the charge port is, and also there's another version that includes footwells on top of that. Unbox this really quick. And that's pretty much it. Pry tool. You can see right here. Look like it's very slim. As you can see, it should not be an issue. Then if we run the wire, this is the actual box here, which I'll probably call like the power box. You want to scan that if you want to. Then it has two exits right here. And then on this side is for USB. And then this one right here, I'll show you what this is for. Take the USB-A and then just plug it in and make sure that it lights up, okay? As you can see right here, it's lighting up very nicely. The long one, really nice. And then the little shorter one, which is right here. And I'm gonna tell you, I was very concerned because some lights that I have reviewed, they look kind of cheap. I think there's higher quality worth of LED lighting, and this looks really good to me. Very excited for this. Let's go ahead. First thing I want to do is move this panel. Should be the only thing that I need to do, and I'll open up the glove box as well. Okay. Okay, so that's the panel. I'll go ahead and open up my glove box. If you're interested in what this is for blind spot monitoring, and it's also from Tlyard. I'll leave that in the cards probably right here. And I'll go ahead and clean out what's in my glove box. They give you an adapter. So I'm gonna plug this into my main compartment in my glove box. Unplug it here, just like that. I'm gonna take Tlyard's USB-A that I showed you earlier in the video, which is right here. And I'm gonna plug it in. The lights are going, which is cool. Take my USB-A port and just plug it in. So I'll still have Sentry mode. And that's it. That's all I have to do. And then all my cables and everything, I can run it in this box right here. Stick it in here for now. Let me get all my stuff organized. The small one will go underneath this console right here, okay? Black part at the top right there. I am assuming that it's gonna go inside there. So let's see if I can do this. They look pretty centered to me. This is nice. Hopefully you can tell there is an app where I can change it from blinking like that, but at least you see all of the different colors. And just kind of run it in here. So whenever I close it, it should be fine. But I'm not going to close it yet because I still have to do the main one. There is a little groove underneath the dashboard. You can see, hopefully. That's what I'm going to try to fit this underneath and run it to the other side. If you do have somebody else, that probably would be a whole lot faster. Let's go ahead and try to get this started. Just gonna go in here because this is really flat. Need to just move this out the way for now. Perfect. So I have it behind it, and then this side I'm gonna just pull over there for now. And I have to find that little hole. All right, let me show you what I did. I found that little hole and it fits perfectly right there. I don't have it all in there, but I did get it started. I took everything off so I can see it, and then I'm gonna just work it in all the way down. Way easier, and it would fit in there on this side and on the driver's side, but in the middle behind the monitor, that's where it took the most work. But definitely use the pry tool and jam it in there. I don't think it's gonna come out, to be honest with you. So not really worried about it, but it's really nice. And of course I still have that down there. Putting this part back on, I got everything looking good and nice. Can't really see anything. Clean install. Everything turned out really well. It took me a little bit longer to get everything installed because I'm a perfectionist like that. You might be the same way, where you don't see any kind of wires. I made sure everything in the glove box was nice and tidy, but it works really well. Downloading the app. Took a picture with another one of my phones, so I'm gonna go ahead. I've already downloaded it, but I just wanted to kind of show you the process like I always do. And it will pull up the Chinese version, and then my phone automatically converted it to English, which is great, and it shows that it is available on the Google Play Store and the Apple Store. So all I did was copy that name of the app, and you go to your App Store. Then I pasted it in, and you see it's right here where it says open. That's what I downloaded. Then I did that. It'll connect via Bluetooth to the little box. See, I already have it pulled up here. So if I go here, you can see I have my lights like this. I can just change them. I could turn it off with that up at the top. Turns off everything. Turn it back on. That's pretty cool. My phone gives haptic feedback when I do that. Let me go to mode. We're not going to go through this a lot, but my favorite ones are auto, which is up here. You see how it changes, and then number 8. I think number 8 is my favorite, and it just kind of goes through all of the different colors, and I can make the colors, add more colors of course, or I can change the length of them. You'll see I'll make the length shorter. You see how shorter they get, just like that. It's pretty cool, right? And then I could just make them really long to cycle through. Next thing you probably have a question about is, hey Ken, does it shut off when you get out of your car? And it's usually probably a minute. I'm telling you, this is nice. So if you definitely want to pick this up, go to the link provided in my description below for you, and you will be able to get a good amount of percentage off on this product. Really nice item where you can mimic the Tesla's Model 3 and Y, the newer versions. But yeah, I really like it. Of course, we don't have it going all the way around the car like the newer Teslas, but we got some type of ambient light that makes our car look a little bit classier, I would say. This Ken. I'll see you in the next video.